this determinant. Okay. Now, if you see in this determinant,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. Now, if you see in this determinant,
Sir, I cannot see you.
you cannot see the screen.
Yes, sir.
But screen sharing is on. Log in once
Now
again.
I can see.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Okay. Consider this
Now I
determinant.
can see.
Well, consider this determinant. In this determinant, if you see, you have 3, 6, and 9 in the first column, right? And in the second column, you have 1, 2, and 3 here, right? So
Yes, sir.
what I can do here is that I can multiply this by minus 3, minus 3. I can multiply this by, I mean, all three elements of this column by minus 3. Okay, in my mind, I'm multiplying. And what am I getting? I'm getting minus 3 here. I'm getting minus 6 here. And I'm getting 9 here. Now what I do is I add this minus 3, this all the elements of this column to this. That is minus 6 when I'm getting a multiplying. I'm adding this to this. And I'm getting a minus 9 here. So I'm adding this to this. So what is the resulting determinant that I'm getting? 3 minus 3, 6 minus 6, and 9 minus 9. This row, this column remains as it is. Okay. So ultimately, what are you getting? You're getting 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Understood?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of this determinant? Can you tell me what is the value of this determinant?
No, sir. Sir, can you explain once more?
See,
Sir, once more. Once again, can you explain?
hmm, that's what I'm doing. Let me erase this. Say I give you this determinant 3, 6, 9, and I give you 1, 2, 3, and I give you say any other 2, 3 minus 1. Okay. Now what do you see here? If I multiply each of the element of this column with minus 3, right? In my mind, I am multiplying. That is, I am multiplying each of the elements of this column by a scalar, minus 3, or a number, minus 3. So this element becomes what? Minus 3. This element becomes what? Minus 6. And this element becomes what? Minus 9. Right? Now what I do is I add this minus 3 to this. I add this minus 6 to this. And I add this to this. This minus 9 to this plus 9. So what do I get? 3 minus 3, 6 minus 6, and
6.
9 minus 9. Will I get or not?
Yes, sir.
Govinda, will I get or not? I can't hear you. Okay. But anyway, you're going to get this determinant. Now, can you tell me what is the value of this determinant?
Yes, sir.
The value of this determinant will be 0. Why? Because see, if I expand this determinant
Yes,
by
sir.
this, if I expand this determinant by this column, then all the cofactors will vanish. All the cofactors will be 0. So ultimately, the value of this determinant will be 0. That is the benefit of this property. Now, what I want to tell you is that not only scalar multiple, but in fact, any two rows or any two columns can be added or subtracted with each other. That is, suppose if I give you uh, 1, 2, 5, and if I give you um, 1, 2, 5, and if I give you 2, 3, minus 9, this determinant. Now what I do is, if I multiply this by minus 1, in my mind I am multiplying, okay, and I subtract it from this column, what will I get? I will get 1 minus 1, I will get 2 minus 2, and I will get 5 minus 5,
Three-
isn't it?
Yes, sir. 5 minus 5.
And this will remain as it is. These two columns will remain as it is, right? So that means ultimately you are getting,
Yes, sir. 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, 2, 3 minus 9.
Yes, sir.
right? So what
Yes,
am I
sir.
doing? I am multiplying this by column by minus 1, and then I'm adding to this, right? So what am I doing? I'm
Yes.
actually subtracting these two columns, right? I'm actually subtracting these two columns. So this
Yes, sir.
actually, this property actually gives us a basis by which any two rows or any two columns can be added or subtracted with each other. Understood? You choose any two rows, you can add, but remember, you cannot add a row and a column. Is it absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
You cannot choose a one row, another column, and then add. No, you have to choose two rows. Any two rows you can choose and add them or subtract them,
Okay, sir.
or you can multiply a
Sir, your
scalar
voice is
multiple,
breaking.
or you can multiply a column or a row by a scalar and then add or subtract it uh, add or subtract it with any other parallel row or a column respectively. Okay. So this finishes off with your properties of determinants. Now I'll do some more problems that will make things a little clear. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
look at this. This is from your textbook. Okay. Now
Okay,
look at the
sir.
first one. This one. 1 1 1
Okay,
E1. If you look at this, what is the determinant given here? 2 3 1 0 0 0 minus 1 2 0. Okay. Let us call this determinant delta. Can you tell me what is the value of this determinant? Yes, can you hear me or not?
Value of determinant. Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is the
2,
value of
3,
this
1, 2.
determinant?
Sir, 0.
0. Because if I expand this determinant by the second row, all the cofactors will vanish. So therefore, you will become, the value of this determinant is 0. Look at the second one. You need to find out the value of this determinant without actually expanding. Okay. And remember,
Okay,
all
sir.
the problems on determinants here in this exercise, not all, maybe with the exception of one or two, and in the exam, whichever problem you are going to get, all you will have to do without expansion. You
Okay,
cannot
sir.
expand the determinant. Okay. Expanding the determinant,
Yes,
you
sir.
will make use later on. Okay. So look at this. Can you tell me the value of this determinant without
Uh,
expansion? Or you need to show that this is equal to 0. So tell me why should it be 0? Can you tell me why should it be 0?
no. 3, 0, 1,
Yes.
1, 1, 2.
Can you see this column and
No,
this
sir.
column? Can you see these two?
Yes, sir. Both
They are
are.
identical. Therefore,
sir, can
Yes,
you
sir.
hear me?
yes, I can hear you. Therefore,
Sir, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Sir, can you hear me? Hello,
Yes, sir. Can hear you.
hello,
I think, sir. So I think he can not hear us.
Hmm.
hello.
So if you see the first and the third
Sir,
column,
can you explain once more?
you
Sir,
look
can you
at
explain
this.
once
Is
more the first one?
the first one. If you see if you see the second row, if you see the second row, all are 0. That means all the minors and cofactors are going to vanish. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Again, he's gone. Okay, so I'll give my reason here. For 1, 2, I'll give my reason here that because this column and this column are identical since first and third column are identical. Okay, so this is my reason. Third one. What is the third question? The third question here is, let's start from the left. In fact, all this you should write LHS. This also LHS. Okay, LHS. Look at the third one. -2, 1, 0, 3, 4, 1. -4, 2, 0. Okay, you need to prove that this determinant is equal to 0. How? Can you tell me how? If you see,
Sir, sir,
yes, tell me, tell me.
sir. God. Minus. No, no, sir.
See,
Not getting.
if you look at this column and if you look at this column, okay, if you see from this column, what is common I can take? What is the HCF of this? I can take out 2
Sir,
from this
minus.
column.
Sir, 2.
I can take out 2 from, not column,
Yes, sir.
row. I can take out 2 from this row. So first row remains as
Yes,
it
sir.
is. Second row remains as it is. And since I'm taking out a 2 from the third row, this will become -2, 1, and 0. Now see what happens. This row, the first row, and the third row become identical. So this becomes 2 into 0, which
Critical.
is equal to 0.
2.
Clear?
0. Yes, sir.
Look at the next one, number 4. This is all for practice, just practice. And you will have to give your reason. I forgot to give my reason here in these two, but I will from next time I'll remember to do it. Left hand
Yes, sir.
side is, write the determinant 7. This is a 4 by 4 determinant. This. Okay. You need to show that the value of this
Okay, sir.
determinant is 0. So can you, how can you say? How can you say this is 0? Tell me.
Sir.
You can write directly all the elements here are 0 in the fourth
Charge
column.
0.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
directly 0 you can write. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, not even any reason is required here. Look at the next one, number 5. Let me erase this, otherwise it will scroll down. I'll have problems writing. Okay. So number 5. 2, 2, 2, 0,
0.
3, 0,
0.
1, 2, 2, 0. Okay, left hand side. Let's call it left hand side. You need to prove that the value of the determinant is 0. So can you tell me how the value of the
So,
determinant
yes.
is 0?
Sir,
Tell
the
me.
2 rows are identical.
2 rows. Which 2 rows?
The 2 first and third.
Yes, exactly. This row and this row are identical. So I'll write this 0 and I'll give my reason since first and third row are identical. Finished. This is all one line. This is only for you to understand the properties. All these problems. Let's see number 6. 6, 1, 3, 2. Minus 2, 0, 1, 4. 3, 6, 1, 2. And you have minus 4, 0, 2, 8. You need to show that this is equal to 0. Again, we start from the left hand side.
So from second and fourth last row, we'll take 2 common.
From second and last row.
Fourth row.
Second
Yes,
row
sir.
and fourth row. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Second row, and why second and fourth row? Only from the fourth row.
So from fourth, yeah, from the fourth row.
From the
And
fourth
that second
row,
and fourth row,
if you take out the
from second and fourth will be,
HCF2, what are you left
both
with?
will become identical.
Yes, 6, 1, 3, 2. And this will be minus 2, 0, 1, 4. This will remain as it is, 3, 6, 1, 2. And this will be minus 2, 0, 1, 4. And what is your reason here? Your reason here is taking the factor
2 common.
2 common from the fourth row.
Second and
This is-
fourth row.
No, only fourth row.
From the fourth row. Yes, sir.
From the fourth row.
Yeah, from the fourth row.
And then the value of this is 0. Why? Now you again give your reason. Since, or we'll write 2 into 0.
They are identical.
We'll write 2 into 0. Because this is 2 into 0. And you'll give your reason. Since second and fourth rows are identical. Okay, so this is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Proved. Okay. This is actually, you should be doing all the sums this way only. LHS is equal to this is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. Okay. Let me just erase this so that Govinda is gone, no?
Yes, sir.
Next is I did 1 6, no? So let's do 1 7. I did 1 6. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I did 1 6.
Yes, sir. 1 6
Let's do 1 A 7.
7.
So LHS is equal to determinant 3 2 1 4 0 7 5 3 4. This determinant. You need to show that this determinant is equal to this determinant. Okay. So always keep an eye on what you need to prove. If you see,
Yes.
this determinant contains in the first row 3 2 1, and this determinant it contains 3 4 5. Secondly, this determinant in the left hand side contains 407. This determinant contains 203. This determinant contains 534. This determinant contains 174. Okay, this is what you must observe. Now, when we have started from the left hand side, this determinant, we have to move from this to this. Is there any way I can move from this to this? What should I do in order to see that it becomes equal to this? Can you see some pattern here?
Sir,
Hmm.
one first column and last row. No,
No.
no, sir.
There is a pattern you can see. If you interchange from this determinant, from the left hand side determinant, if you make the rows into columns, if you make this row into a column, if you make this row into the second column, and if I make this row into this column.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Govinda. Now does it give us the right hand side? Does it give us the
Yes,
right
sir.
hand side? It gives. And which property you are using?
Yes, sir.
The first property we are using.
Transpose.
Yes, the transpose determinant. What is the property that we should write here? The value of a determinant
Is
remains unchanged
okay.
if the rows and columns are interchanged.
Yes, sir.
We write in short. The rows and columns are interchanged. Okay, this is the property that we are using. So this is proof, which is equal to RHS. Proof. Okay. So let us do the next one.
Yes,
Next one is
sir.
1A 8. Okay. We start from the left hand side. 2, 3, 21. 11, 4, 7, 6, 15, and 8. Okay, this determinant you have to prove this is equal to the this determinant. Okay, so now keep an eye on what you need to prove. Okay, if you see in the first row you have 21, 2, 3, right? 21, 2, 3 you have. Yes.
Yes.
What do you observe from here? If you observe the determinants, if you see this
Yes, sir.
column is here, right?
Yes, sir.
And what else? This column is here, isn't it?
Yes, sir. 21, 2, 3.
So if you simply interchange, something will happen, right? But what is the property? That if you interchange the columns or the rows, then the value of the determinant becomes negative, the opposite sign, right? So what I do is I
Yes.
interchange the first and the third column. That is, in place of first column, I write
Yes.
the third column, 21,
Yes.
7, 8, and second column remains as it is, 3, 4, 15, and this 2, 11, 6, this becomes. Now, since I'm interchanging the first and the third, this becomes negative. So you'll write in brackets, interchanging the
Yes.
first and third columns, right? Now see, what else is
Yes.
there? Now, once I have interchanged, have I got the resulting determinant? I still haven't got. Now what I do is I interchange these two from here. Now I'll get, if I interchange these two, 21, 7, 8. So if I'm interchanging these two, third column becomes second column and second column becomes the third column. Okay. And this minus again becomes plus. So now have we got the determinant or not?
Yes, sir.
Interchanging
Yes, sir.
the second and third columns. So which is equal to RHS. Hence proved.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us look at the next one. If you
Yes, sir.
if you do these problems, the properties are going to become clearer.
Okay, sir.
Next is 1A 9. Again start from the left hand side. You have have left hand side, you have the determinant 1, 6, 8, 2, 0, 3, and you have 7, 13, 5. Okay, so now look at the right hand side also. What you need to prove, what you see here is that you have a negative sign, okay, and you have 6, 0, 13. So if you see, these two rows are the same here, right? That means we will have to interchange
Yes, sir.
the first and the second row. So let's do it first. Is equal to minus interchanging the first and the second row. So second row will become my first row, first row will become my second row, and this row will remain as it is.
Second row.
And in the brackets you'll write interchanging
The rows.
the first and third rows. Okay, next,
Yes, sir.
have we got? Yes, we have got. Is equal to
Got.
RHS. Finished. Proof. Okay, so these are all one lines
Okay,
which
sir.
will help you clear all your properties, but the tougher ones are going to come later on. Let's see the next one. 1A 10. Okay, start from the left hand side. You have 2 plus 3 minus 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 0, 1, 4 plus 5, 3, 0. Okay, now this is you have to express this as sum of two determinants. This follows directly from the property, isn't it? You can write this determinant as a sum of two
Yes, sir.
determinants. You will write 2, 3, 4 first. This one, 2, 3, 4, and my second column will remain as it is. And then you have a plus sign here, all these plus signs. That is why this plus sign here. And then you write 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, and minus 1, 0,
5.
3, 2, 1, 0. This follows directly from the property. There's nothing to do here. Okay, is equal to RHS. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's do the next one. One A.
Yes, sir.
I did 10, no? So this is okay. This is 1B now, not 1A. Okay, 1B. Let's see, 1B.
Yes, sir.
Given A is equal to, B is equal to, I will not do 1B. 1B is all not a good problem. Okay, let's do it. Fine, since we are doing it serially and NMOC is also written. Fine, we'll do serial. Given A is equal to this matrix 1, 2, 0, minus 3, 3, 1, and 2, minus 1, 0. And B is given to be 1, minus 3, 2, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0. Okay, without expanding this determinant, show that det A is equal to det B. To prove det A is equal to det B. This is a sign for det, right? So therefore,
Let me. Yes, sir.
if A is this matrix, then det A is this. Okay, and you have to prove det A is equal to det B. Now what is det B here?
Let
This.
B.
So now see the relation between these two determinants. What can you see in these two determinants? Yes, what I can see is that if you simply interchange the rows, if you simply not interchange, if you simply change the rows to columns, it will become, it is transpose actually. These two are transpose of each other. Okay, so what I do is
Yes,
I
sir.
make this as
Transpose.
one, this
Yes,
row
sir.
I make into a column. Similarly, second row I make it into a column, and the third row also I make it into a column. Okay, interchanging
Okay, sir.
the rows and columns. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to det B, which is equal to RHS proof. Any question?
No, sir.
Yes, Mr. Govinda, any question? Govinda can't hear, I think. Okay,
No, sir.
you can hear.
No, sir.
You correct your network, Govinda.
No, sir.
This kind of problem will not.
Hello.
I mean, this kind
Hello.
of problem will not do
Hello.
you any good. Always having some network
Hello.
problem or the other.
Hello. Hello.
Next question. 1C. Okay. Show that. So you start from the left hand side. Show that this determinant 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. This determinant is equal to this determinant. Okay, how will you show? How will you show this determinant is equal to this? Check what can you do with these two to get. If you see first row is the same, right? Okay. What about these two? What about these two? Can you say? Yes.
Uh,
Any ideas?
Mm,
1, 2, 3,
Any
1, 2.
ideas coming in your mind? What you see is that the second row, this one, is obtained if you subtract. See, if you subtract 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, and 4 minus 3, will you obtain the second row or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what you do is 1, 2, 3, you write as it is. Okay, because you're not making any changes to the first row. Okay, you are subtracting the second row from the first. Okay, so this
yes,
will
sir.
become 2 minus 1,
Yes, sir.
3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. Okay, and you write 3, 4, 5 as it is. I'm doing extra steps right now because this is the beginning. Later on I am going to do directly. Okay, so what I do is subtracting, write my steps, subtracting the first row from the second row. Okay, this will become 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, and this remains 3, 4, 5. So I've got the first two rows, right? The only row that is left is this one, 1, 0, 1. But this is 3, 4, 5. So how will I bring 1, 0, 1? 1, 0 minus 1? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
How will I bring this See, the first two rows I have matched, right? If you see this,
Yes, sir.
first two rows are matching, but only this row is not matching, right? Because I have a 3 4 5 here, third row, and I have 1 0 minus 1. So how will I bring 1 0 minus 1? I have 2 minutes left. So if you multiply, see that if you multiply this row, if you multiply um, wait, this row, yes, if you multiply this row by 2 and subtract it from this row, will you get? I write the first row as it is because I'm not changing the first row. I'm simply multiplying this in my mind.
Yes.
Second row also will remain as it is. And then what will I do? 3 minus this 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 minus 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4. And then 2 into 3 is
Yes.
6. So this 4 minus 4. And this becomes 5 minus 6. See whether this step is clear or not. Is this step clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This is from the your last property. You can multiply any row by a number and then subtract it from any other parallel row. So I've multiplied this row with 2 in my mind, and I'm going to make the changes in the third row because I have to subtract it from the third row only. Okay, so that is why. So therefore now I've got, so you'll write here
Yes, sir.
subtracting 2 times, because I'm multiplying by 2, subtracting 2 times the first row from the third row, and therefore I've got, let me just write this here. I've got, it will disconnect. Okay, 1 2 3 1 1 1 0 minus
So
1.
I will rejoin. No.
Yes, RHS. Fine. You come back after 2 minutes. Okay.